Hey there, did you know that this dashcam right here can record from 4 different angles at once, giving you a complete 560 degrees view around your car? This is the Botslab G980H with 4-channel dashcam, a powerful 3K camera system built to give you total visibility and peace of mind wherever you drive. But before we get started and dig deeper into the details about this dashcam, I want to mention that this dashcam was sent to us by Botslab in exchange for a review, and while I appreciate their support and trust in my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always, so stick around as we explore everything that this dashcam has to offer. With no further ado, let's jump right in. First off, let's start with the unboxing. So inside the box, as you can see, you will find the Botslab G980H dashcam, 3 additional cameras for full 4-channel coverage, mountain accessories, power cable, and the user manual. Everything you need to set up a professional grade multi-angle recording system is right there. When it comes to installation, it's as simple as any other dashcam. All you need to do is just stick it to the windshield and run through the rear dashcam or the rear camera along the headliner of your car, and you are pretty much ready to start recording. The dashcam features a compact design with a bright 3.18-inch touchscreen that makes setup simple and playback fast. You can instantly review footage from all 4 channels on one screen or zoom into individual angles for detailed views of what's happening around your car. As you can see, also the screen is very responsive and you can switch between the cameras or show all 4 cameras at once. With 4 cameras recording in 3K resolution, the G980H delivers crisp, detailed footage from every side, front, rear, and both sides for a total of 560 degrees coverage. Whether it's a tight parking lot, a busy highway, or an unexpected situation, there are no blind spots at all. And to make driving even safer, the dashcam supports voice commands, which allows you to start recording, take snapshots, or lock important clips hands-free, so your focus stays where it should be on the road. And if you decide that you want to mess around with the settings and everything, of course the touchscreen is there for you. And when you park, the G980H automatically switches to Sentry mode, detecting movement around your vehicle and recording any suspicious activity. It also offers time-lapse recording, conserving storage while keeping your car protected 24/7. And of course, when it comes to video quality, as you can see, it is so amazing and super clear and smooth. It allows you to see everything clearly from street signs to license plates and everything in between. And thanks to the upgraded WDR and infrared side cameras, the G980H captures every detail clearly, even in low light conditions. As you can see, even at night, it is so clear, and the quality is definitely acceptable compared to other brands out there. So everything remains visible even at night or in dimly lit areas, from pedestrians and license plates and everything in between. The built-in GPS locks your driving route, speed, and coordinates with AR overlays in the app, making evidence review easy. And with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly transfer videos to your phone and share them instantly without lag. Speaking of sharing, as you can see, there is an app that you can log in to connect the dashcam to your phone, so you can have access to your videos, whether you want to share them them to your phone or just have control over the dash cam. It is super smooth and user friendly. As you can see, you can either delete, download videos and send them to your phone. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about the Botslab G980H 4-channel dashcam. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best dashcam for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. I will leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enjoy complete 560 degrees protection and next level driving confidence. See you in the next video. Peace.